In front of me is another magic V3, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching a gallery app and holding one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. Now to select multiple, click on those dots at the top right corners. To keep some of your photos, tap on them, and to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!